I'm basically from Nagpur and I am happily single. And my hobbies are doodling, traveling, hiking, and watching movies. Business info. I run my business by the name of Kashish Advani Designs. I am an interior designer. Description: designing and transforming spaces with elegance. I am a firm believer of simplicity and elegance, and therefore I try to incorporate these two elements in my work, in my designs. And I am in this professional field from last 6+ years, and I worked as an intern at AVN Associates Indore for 6 months, and I worked as a senior interior designer at Bhushan Jeswani Associates Nagpur for 4+ years. I did my bachelor's from LAD College, and I like to do doodlings, and currently I am doing flow arts. Circle of influence. I have been a member of Triple ID, that is Indian Institute of Interior Designers, for last 4 years, and I am a Sampark member from last 1 year. And I have close networks with the architects, civil engineers, contractors, builders, real estate agents, and material vendors. Next, next slide. Goals. I want to work all over India and want to set up an office in other cities other than Nagpur. I want my work to be featured in interior design magazines or on digital media. And most important, I want people to get inspired by my work. Next slide. Accomplishments. Kashish Advani Designs is now on Google, and I successfully launched my firm website, that is www.kashishadvanidesigns.com. Please spare some time and check it out. Next slide. My best customers are who are not happy with the existing place, who believes in modern and contemporary design, who wants their space to be lively, relaxing, and welcoming, and who thinks their space is dull and has less source of daylight and fresh air. Next. Examples of referrals work well for me. Anyone renovating their old home, office, or constructing new ones. Anyone who feels their home interior is too loud or is less spacious or is not planned properly. Anyone who opts for simple and elegant designs, and anyone who wants to find their happy place in interiors. And one more point I would like to add: anyone who want their space to be planned as per Vastu. Next. My contacts for your business are with architects, civil engineers, structural consultants, civil contractors, builders, real estate agents, and material vendors. My memory hook. I design spaces that are simple, innovative, and which makes living worth. Thank you so much, Sampark, for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Please get in touch with me for any interior related work, and please, in this crucial time of pandemic, please take care of yourselves, stay healthy, and please stay at home.